Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much for our monthly blessing. So, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Panginoon, sa monthly blessing na yung binigay mo sa akin. Thank you so much. Okay guys, thank you so much for your support also sa ating YouTube, sa ating Facebook. Thank you and I love you all. Especially thank you so much sa ating cashier, cashier Labuan, si PB Alvarez, ating cashier sa cosmetics. I love you. Okay guys, ito po yung first withdrawal natin sa MSS. Sa kapital kong $1,000 o $1,000 1 month and 1 week. So naka-first withdraw tayo ng €485. Just imagine guys, di ba? So thank you so much. Bye-bye.